Hello, I am Dr. Shruti Agarwal, working here at AVCRI Coimbatore. I come from Delhi. Today I am going to discuss about a very useful fruit, Draksha or the Vitis vinifera, known as dried grapes or Munakka. Ayurveda says Draksha Phalottama, which means of all the fruits, Draksha is the best fruit to be consumed. Acharya Charaka has put Draksha in 4 groups, that is Kandhya group, good for the throat, Virechanopag, that is good for the bowels, Kasahara group, that is good for cough, Shramahara group, that is good for tiredness relieving. Draksha helps in balancing Vata and Pitta doshas in the body. Draksha contains 70 to 80% of water and various organic and inorganic compounds like sugars, various minerals and bioflavonoids. Due to its medicinal properties, it increases the moistness of our body tissues and softens the dry ones. Now coming to the benefits of Draksha. It helps in boosting the immunity of the body and detoxifies it. Draksha facilitates a good supply of nutrients to the body. Due to this reason, it helps as an anti-aging tonic, also called as the Rasayana. Raisins are Vrishya, which means that they help in treating infertility or improve the fertility of both men and women by increasing the quality and quantity of semen and the egg. They also help in strengthening the female reproductive system. Due to the capability of balancing Vata, it is also useful in various nervine disorders. It helps to calm the mind. It boosts memory power and acts as a brain tonic. Draksha is a wonderful medicine for treating thirst, burning sensation, fever and its complications. It is specially used in treating hangover due to excessive alcohol intake, and it reduces the effects of alcohol on the body. It is wonderful for treating digestive problems as it acts as a laxative, hence given in various problems like constipation and jaundice. It also acts as a cardiac tonic due to its capability of strengthening the cardiac muscles. It helps in improving the quality of blood by increasing the nutritional components, that is hemoglobin, in the blood. Hence it is prescribed in gout and various allergic disorders. Draksha helps to strengthen lungs. The expectoration of phlegm or kapha can be very easily carried out with the help of this fruit. That is why it is used in various Ayurvedic formulations which are prescribed in tuberculosis, bronchitis, etc. Draksha is very beneficial to the eyes as well. Raisins also act as diuretics and increases the frequency and volume of urine. For this reason, they are given in various conditions like urinary incontinence, burning sensation of the urine and cystitis. Draksha is a wonder fruit. It can be taken by people of all age groups. You can soak 5 to 6 raisins at night and consume them on empty stomach in the morning. It is best to be avoided with milk. Draksha is also available in various medicinal preparations like Draksha Rishtam, Drakshadi Kashayam and Manasamitra Vatakam. But before starting to take any medicines, I recommend consulting an Ayurvedic physician for a better understanding of the fruit. Thank you.